Blessed and happy Tuesday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear good people of God, faithful followers of the Daily Gospel Reflection with Father Jack. My dear kababayans, today is June 24, 2025, and today we celebrate the solemnity of the birth of Saint John the Baptist. There is something profound moving in the birth of John the Baptist. This is not just the story of a long-awaited child, but it is a story of how heaven remembers what earth forgets. Elizabeth, had carried not only the weight of her age, but the silent ache and pains of unanswered prayers. Can you imagine? For a long time, she asked the Lord for a child. For so long, she was seen as barren, overlooked, even dismissed. But when her time finally came, when life stirred in her womb, it was as if God Himself whispered, "Elizabeth, I have not forgotten you." There are so many Elizabeths in our world nowadays that they think they were forgotten by God. And truly, God has no dementia, because God never forgets. He has no Alzheimer's, because His promises are not erased by time. Dear friends, remember this: the promise of God are not erased by time. Zechariah too, her husband, had this journey, one marked by doubt, silence, and like slow surrender. His voice was taken not out of punishment, but as a holy pause, so that when he finally spoke again, it would be with awe, not with argument. And when he wrote, his name is John, because he was asked what will be the name of the boy, he said John, meaning God is gracious. It was not just a name, it was obedience, it was humility and trusts. Zechariah was silenced by doubts, but he was restored by obedience. It was a father's silent conversion, now spoken in faith, and his voice returned with power, and his heart overflowed with the truth that God works even in the silence. My friends, God works even in the silence, even in the quiet moments of our life. Sometimes, our greatest breakthroughs are born in seasons where we feel forgotten, or we feel unheard or dismissed by others. I experienced it myself as a priest. It took me 18 long years to be ordained, waiting for the sacrament of the ordination to the priesthood. That's why I took in my motto, Psalm 40 verse 1, which says, I waited patiently to the Lord. He turned to me and heard my cry. But friends, blessings may be delayed. Blessings may be delayed, but not denied. And the child, John, grew in the wilderness, far from the comforts of the crowds, far from the comforts of the world. He was being formed by God alone. He was not formed by the world. And the same is true for us. Even when no one sees the growth, even when we feel hidden or like unimportant or not recognized, God is shaping something holy within us. But friends, your life, your wounds, your waiting, they are not accidents. You are part of a sacred plan. Why? Because you are chosen, known, and deeply loved by God. And so, with all my heart, I join the psalmist in saying our responsorial psalm for today. I praise you, Lord, for I am wonderfully made. By the way, today's gospel is from the beautiful and the wonderful account of Luke, chapter 1, verses 57 to 66 and 80. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends. Share it to your family. Make the word of God viral so that many will be blessed.